Welcome to our store. Is there anything specific you're looking for today?
Hi. I'm searching for a dress for a special occasion.
Wonderful. We have a variety of dresses for different events.
I need something elegant yet comfortable to dance in.
How about this flowy chiffon dress? It's perfect for dancing.
It looks lovely. Do you have it in my size?
What size are you looking for?
I usually wear a size small.
Let me check if we have it in stock.
Thank you. I'll wait here.
I'm sorry, we're currently out of stock in size small.
Oh, that's unfortunate. Do you have any similar styles?
Certainly. How about this A-line dress with lace detailing?
That's beautiful. I'll try it on. It fits perfectly. I love it.
I'm glad you like it. Is there anything else you need?
Maybe a pair of shoes to match?
We have some heels that would complement the dress nicely.
Can I see them?
Of course, let me bring them over.
These look great. Do you have them in my size?
What size do you need?
I'm a size 7.
Let me check our inventory.
Thank you.
I'm sorry, but it seems we're out of stock in size 7.
Oh, that's disappointing. Do you have any similar styles?
We have a similar style in a different color. Would you like to see it?
Yes, please.
Here they are.
They're not exactly what I had in mind. Do you have any other options?
Let me check our inventory for similar styles in your size.
Okay, I'll wait.
I'm sorry, but it looks like we don't have any other options in your size at the moment.
That's all right. I'll keep looking. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. If you need any further assistance, feel free to ask.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and have a great day.
Hello. Did you find everything you were looking for today?
Yes, I did. I found a beautiful dress and a pair of shoes.
That's wonderful to hear. Let's get started with your purchase.
Sure. I also have a few other items I'd like to buy.
Of course, I'll ring them up for you. Let me start with the dress.
This dress is exquisite. It will be $85.
All right, here's my card.
Thank you. Let me process your payment.
Your payment went through successfully. Now, let's add the shoes.
These shoes are stunning. They will be $45.
Okay, I'll pay with the same card.
Perfect. Let me ring them up for you.
Your total for the dress and shoes comes to $130.
Sounds good. Thank you.
Here are your items. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, I think I'm all set. Thank you for your help.
It was my pleasure. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and take care.
Excuse me, could you help me carry these bags to my car?
Of course, I'd be happy to assist you.
Thank you so much. It's a bit of a walk to the parking lot.
No problem at all. It's part of my job to help customers.
After you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
My car is just over there, near the entrance.
I see it. Let's make our way there.
I really appreciate your assistance. It's very kind of you.
It's my pleasure. Helping customers is what I'm here for.
Here, let me hold the bags while you place them in the trunk.
Thank you. That makes it easier.
All done. Is there anything else I can assist you with?
No, thank you. You've been very helpful.
If you need anything in the future, don't hesitate to ask.
I'll remember that. Thanks again. Have a great day.
You're welcome. Take care and drive safely.
Good morning, welcome to our company. How can I assist you today?
Good morning. I have an interview scheduled for tomorrow.
Great. I can help you with that. Do you have your resume and cover letter ready?
Yes, I've prepared them. Should I bring printed copies?
Yes, please bring a few copies for the interview panel.
Sure, I'll make sure to bring them. Is there anything else I should prepare?
Have you thought about any references you can provide?
Yes, I have a list of professional references ready.
Perfect. Make sure to bring that list as well.
Will do. Should I also bring any certificates or diplomas?
If you have any relevant certifications or diplomas, it's a good idea to bring copies.
I have a certification in project management. I'll bring a copy.
That's excellent. It's always good to showcase relevant qualifications.
Thank you for the guidance. Is there anything else I should know?
It's also helpful to research our company and be prepared to discuss why you're interested in working here.
I've done some research already, and I'm excited about the opportunity.
That's great to hear. Showing enthusiasm for the role is important.
I'm really looking forward to the interview. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.
I will. Thanks again. Have a great day.
You too. Good luck with your interview.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and take care.
Good morning. Please, have a seat.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
Let's start by introducing ourselves. I'm Mr. Johnson, the hiring manager. What's your name?
I'm Emily. Nice to meet you, Mr. Johnson.
Likewise, Emily. Could you briefly tell me about your background?
Certainly. I graduated with a degree in computer science last year. Since then, I've been working as a software developer at XYZ Company, where I've been involved in various projects.
That sounds promising. What motivated you to apply for this position?
I've always been passionate about creating innovative software solutions, and I'm particularly interested in the projects your company is working on. I believe my skills align well with the requirements of this role.
That's great to hear. Can you provide an example of a successful project you've worked on?
Sure. At XYZ Company, I was part of a team that developed a mobile application for managing inventory. The app streamlined the process and resulted in a 20% increase in efficiency.
Impressive. What do you consider your greatest strength?
I believe my greatest strength is my problem-solving skills. I enjoy tackling complex challenges and finding creative solutions to them.
And what about your weaknesses? How do you manage them?
I tend to be overly critical of my work at times, which can slow down my progress. However, I've learned to set realistic expectations and seek feedback from colleagues to improve continuously.
That's understandable. Now, let's discuss your familiarity with our industry. What do you know about our company?
I've done some research on your company and am impressed by your commitment to innovation and sustainability. I'm particularly interested in your recent projects in renewable energy.
That's great to hear. We value innovation and sustainability here. Now, let's talk about your technical skills. Can you tell me about your experience with programming languages?
Of course. I'm proficient in Java, Python, and JavaScript, and have experience developing web and mobile applications using frameworks like React and Angular.
Excellent. We use similar technologies here, so your experience will be valuable. How do you approach teamwork and collaboration?
I believe effective communication and collaboration are essential for successful teamwork. I'm always open to feedback and enjoy working closely with team members to achieve our goals.
That's a good mindset to have. Now, let's discuss a hypothetical scenario. How would you handle a situation where you encounter a technical problem you're unfamiliar with?
In such a situation, I would first try to research and troubleshoot the issue independently. If I'm still unable to solve it, I would seek assistance from colleagues or consult online resources to find a solution.
That's a proactive approach. Finally, do you have any questions for me about the company or the role?
Yes, I'm curious about the company culture and opportunities for professional development.
Our company fosters a collaborative and supportive work environment, and we offer various training programs to help employees grow in their careers.
That sounds great. Thank you for providing that information.
You're welcome, Emily. Thank you for coming in today and sharing your experiences with us.
Thank you for the opportunity to interview. I look forward to potentially joining your team.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good afternoon. I'm calling to inform you that you've been selected for the position.
Oh, that's fantastic news. I'm thrilled to hear that.
Congratulations. We're excited to have you join our team.
Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to contributing.
Let's discuss the next steps. When can you start with us?
I can start in 2 weeks. Is that suitable for you?
That works well. We'll need you to complete some paperwork.
Understood. What documents do I need to prepare?
Please bring your identification, social security card, and bank details.
I'll gather those documents promptly. Anything else required?
You'll also need to sign an employment contract and provide emergency contact information.
I'll be ready with all the necessary paperwork on my start date.
Excellent. We'll also schedule an orientation session for you.
That would be helpful. What will the orientation cover?
We'll go over company policies, benefits, and introduce you to your team.
That sounds comprehensive. I'm eager to learn more about the company.
Is there anything specific you'd like to know before you start?
Yes, I'm curious about the dress code and typical work hours.
We have a business casual dress code, and our hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.
That's good to know. Thank you for clarifying.
Do you have any questions or concerns about the role?
Not at the moment, but I'll reach out if anything comes up.
Feel free to contact me anytime. We want you to feel prepared.
I appreciate your support. I'm eager to make a positive impact.
We're confident you'll excel in your new role. See you soon.
Thank you again. Looking forward to joining the team. Goodbye.
Goodbye. We'll see you on your start date. Take care.